Hi, my name is Emma Jex, and I research and am planning on becoming an adoption social worker. So in this presentation, I will be discussing the following topics: the job description, required education, my 4-year plan pertaining to adoption social work, and why I'm a psychology major. First, social workers that specialize in adoption need to be able to find good matches when it comes to connecting children with the right adopted families. This would typically involve doing research on the child's past and background of the adoptive family. They may be put in situations where they will be negotiating and counseling involved with the child's birth family to help assess and attend to the child's needs. It is important to have excellent communication skills such as active listening, critical thinking, problem solving, and negotiating skills, and of course, they have to work well with the children and families they interact with. Every state requires that social workers have a license, but depending on the state, you must have a bachelor's degree or master's degree in social work. Some of the classes you have to take include psychology, human behavior, research methods, and social welfare. And typically, aspiring social workers need to have some clinical experience that is supervised by another licensed social worker. Currently, I'm majoring in psychology, but by my sophomore year, I plan to apply for a major in social work. I may continue to take classes that go along with psychology, but apply more to social work to prepare for a career in social work. The classes that I will end up taking are similar to the ones I would take in a psychology major. Finally, why did I choose to major in psychology? First and foremost, I want to become a professional social worker and work in adoption agencies. The classes I will end up taking will help me work well with the children and adoptive families that I come in contact with. And lastly, I want to use what I learn in college every single day in my future career. And that's it. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I look forward to hearing your feedback.